Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Introduction to Large Language Model or LLMs, Unlocking AI Language Power. So let's dive right into it. So what are the large language modules? AI large language system is LLMs are sophisticated AI system trained on massive text database. Leading examples. Prominent examples including ChatGPT, GPT-4, Cloudy, and Llama, each pushing the boundaries of natural language processing capabilities. Diverse capabilities, these modules can perform a wide array of tasks from intelligent text generation and seamless language transition to precise summarization and engaging questions answering. So here the transformer architecture, the heart of LLMs, at the core of modern LLMs lies the groundbreaking transformer architecture, a neural network designed to fundamentally change how AI process language. Attention to mechanism. Key components. This architecture is built on critical elements such as self-attention, multi-head attention, and positional encoding, all working in synergy. Contextual understanding. These components enable LMS to capture complex context and intricate relationship within language more effectively, leading to highly nuanced output. So here, how LMS works, predicting the next word, probabilistic prediction. LMS function by estimating the probabilities of the next token, word of subword in sequence based on the preceding context. This auto-aggressive nature allows them to generate coherent text. Vast training data modules are trained on billions of words from diverse sources, enabling them to learn intricate language pattern, grammatic structures, and semantic notches, and coherent text generation. So here, real-world application for LLMS. So customer support, AI-powered chatbots provide instant intelligent assistant, improving customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. And content creation, from writing articles and summarizing documents to generating code, LLMs automate and enhance creative workflow. Language service, seamless translations across language and sophisticated sustainment analysis unlock global communication and insight. Educational and creative tools. LMS serves as a powerful assistant for learning, researching, and generating imaginative writing. Responsibles use and challenges environment impact. So the training and operating of LMS demands significant computational research, leading to high energy consumption and notable carbon footprint. So here, bias and misformation. LMS can inadvertently make some bias present in their training data or generate convincing misinformation, rise, raising serious ethical concern. Now, here is the ethical consideration. Deployment requires a careful consideration of transparency, fairness, and critical role of human oversight to mitigate risk and ensure responsible use. Now here, let's go talk about getting started with LMS. Explore open source libraries. Begin your journey by delving into robust open source platforms such as Hugging Face Transformers, which offers vast resource and pre-trained models, and hands-on practice. Utilize cloud platforms or collab notebooks to gain practical experience experimenting directly with LMS capabilities and code. Master prompt design. Experiment with various prompt engineering techniques and fine-tuning methods to customize LMS for specific tasks and achieve desired outcomes. There you go. Now join the community, engage with the vibrant AI community to learn from peers and share insight and stay updated on the rapid advancement on the dynamic field. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video, because you enjoyed. And if you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment below, and we'll have to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.